It was just a story once told by an old man, a mysterious whisper about a forgotten motorcycle hidden in the ruins of an abandoned factory. The old man described it as a rough diamond, waiting to be polished and restored to an endless shine. As a young boy, he didn't fully understand what the old man meant, but he held on to those words, even after the old man was no longer there. Years passed, and the boy grew into a man, yet the memory remained vivid. One day, the time had come. He set out to find the elusive motorcycle, vowing that if he discovered it, he would bring that rough diamond to a brilliant shine in memory of the old man.
Come to me.
Subscribe so you don't miss it.